Okay, today I'm going to try an experiment. I have read that there are ways you can get pineapples to fruit off season. And one of the ways is an apple. My dog just stole one. You're supposed to put rotten apple. Mine isn't that rotten, but it's kind of bruised. You're supposed to put it down in and in between the leaves. And this is supposed to induce early fruiting. So I'm trying this method. These are all 2021 slips. They all got planted at the same time. And so I've got a triangle shape here. And this corner is going to be my apple test. Now on this corner, this is calcium carbide. You see it's still bubbling. I put some, these are like gray rocks. Oh, I've already banged it shut. Anyway, these are little gray rocks and they are supposed to, I guess they're used for explosives. I was supposed to put it in a cup of water, and when it quits bubbling, I'm supposed to pour it on. I've also read that you can just put the chunks directly into the center of the pineapple, and then when it rains it makes the ethylene or whatever gas it is that's supposed to induce the flowering. So we'll come back to this corner when this quits bubbling. And then in this corner I have, what do I have? This stuff. Same thing. I was supposed to put this in a cup of water. Get back! And then put it in my pineapple. So we'll see what happens. And it is supposed to give off a gas. I'm trying to pick pineapples that are all the same size and also far away from each other because I don't want it to affect the neighboring pineapples. So I'm going to pick this one for the acid, and I'm just going to pour it right in. Whoops, I'm getting it in some of its neighbors. So it didn't dissolve very well. I was also supposed to measure it at 75 milligrams. My scale doesn't go that small. So we'll see how this one does. Let's go back and see if this has quit bubbling yet. Close enough. I'm not very patient. So I'm going to pour this one right in here. Move, little lizard. And we will come back. So this isn't an immediate process, of course. It's going to take, I think, several weeks before we start seeing the results. So subscribe and like, and I will report back when something changes.